What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate all of you so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on the bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls, and more in-depth research of altcoins with massive potential. All the links are in the description, and in any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Polkadot this year has been performing exceptionally well. It's actually ran from the low, let's take the low here around Christmas time of $4.60. It's actually ran a total of 940%, which is a massive deal. This is essentially around a 10x from that price, as we can see here, before the recent correction to the downside, which we saw market-wide. Polkadot is a project that has been performing exceptionally well. It's been getting a ton of use, and a lot of projects on Polkadot, such as Polkastarter, have been capturing a lot of the public eye with everything that they've got to offer. Polkadot's been launching a ton of projects, and these projects have all been doing very well as well. I think Kasama is on there, it's doing exceptionally well. Polkadot is a project that has actually been suffering in the past few months in terms of price action. This is something that we mentioned recently also in our Cardano video. Ethereum, Chainlink, Cardano and Polkadot have all been suffering from a lack of upwards price movement for the past few months. And this was most likely due to just the pump that was so good for smart contract platforms in around January, February time here. As we can see, Polkadot quite clearly ran up massively here. And then since then, it has been cooling off and ranging in a certain area before it broke out recently. But then it broke to the downside again because of the market-wide FUD to do with the Bitcoin 40% hash rate dump, and then also the Joe Biden capital gains tax dump, which compounded the misery of this downwards price action and led to a 25 to 30% correction for Bitcoin, which in turn led pretty much the entire market down, with the exception of a few altcoins such as Solana, which just did not seem to care whatsoever about the dump. But anyway, as we can see, Polkadot for the past few months had been ranging between around the $40 mark and the $28 to $29 mark here. We can see it created quite strong resistance and support in these areas, with a lot of buying and selling pressure, which meant the price didn't really move up or down until there was a breakout here at the start of April, where the price went from around $40 all the way up to $46, $47, and then came back, retested this resistance as support, and then the price did continue upwards all the way to around $48 before the correction that we just spoke about. This falling wedge formed, and then the price action broke out after this double bottom here, which is what happened for most cryptos. And then since then, the price action has been on the move to the upside, which is obviously very positive. It seems as though we're bouncing around this area of support and resistance of the previous all-time high of around $39 to $40 here. But it seems likely that this will probably get broken soon, especially with most smart contracts pumping, and also it seems as though altcoin season is just around the corner. Polkadot is obviously a project which is a blue chipper. It's definitely going to be around in the future, and it seems likely that they're going to continue to release quality projects. Once they've got full-scale interoperability as well, and they start onboarding more projects from different platforms, we've heard rumors of PancakeSwap getting launched on there as well. If this happens, there's going to be a massive amount of demand for Polkadot, because it's going to be a huge project going into the future. We do believe that Polkadot is definitely going to come up and hit this all-time high again very shortly. Obviously, this market-wide correction hit Polkadot very hard, and it actually came down around, that's a nasty 40% correction there. 40% is obviously much more than average. 25% to 30% was the average for the correction before we could move up again. But this is quite a nasty correction to the downside. It's actually almost as nasty as the Elrond e-gold correction that we saw, which was around 50%, which is obviously not the kind of action you want to see in a bull market. But Polkadot's looking stronger again now. It's broken out of this resistance. This falling wedge has been broken out of. We seem to be trending upwards now, and we think that Polkadot is definitely going to continue to perform well this year. It's already got a market cap of around 35 to 40 billion, we believe, at the time of recording this video. And with the price currently at around $39 to $40, we do believe that Polkadot is going to come up and retest this all-time high in the next few weeks. And then once this happens, it seems very likely that Polkadot is going to continue to run. Our short-term price prediction for Polkadot is probably going to be, it will come up, retest this high, pull back, retest this support and resistance here, come back up and break the all-time high. And we do think it can head to the $60 to $70 range fairly quickly, because this is a project that is getting a ton of use, and it's only going to continue to bring out more projects in the future. And with altcoin season seemingly fast approaching, money is going to be flowing into Polkadot as a result. Once this happens, we'll probably see a bit of a pullback into this range. We may even pull back and retest the previous all-time high before moving up again, but we do believe that Polkadot is definitely going to continue upwards. Our short-term price prediction is $70 to $80, most likely. And this is because we think that Polkadot is going to start to run massively, like it did in December, once it breaks out of this ranging motion it's been doing for some time quite considerably. So hopefully we can see that in the next few weeks, and then once that happens, the price will most likely start to run up massively. Our short-term price target is $70 to $80. Long-term price target for Polkadot, we believe that it could most likely hit $300 to $400 this year, which would be around a 10x from the current price. We believe this because Polkadot is obviously a massive platform. It's getting a lot of use, and the market cap is quite big now, so a $300 to $400 billion market cap seems about right for Polkadot, considering what it's currently offering. And with Ethereum most likely reaching over $1 trillion in market cap by the end of this year, this doesn't seem so unreasonable to us. We think that most top 10 cryptocurrencies, of which we think Polkadot will be one, will have market caps in the hundreds of billions by the end of the year. We've already seen BNB, Binance, with Binance Smart Chain launching, has reached into the hundreds of billions now, and this is only the beginning. We strongly believe that Polkadot, Cardano, and Chainlink will all be well over $100 billion by the end of the run. So that's our video for Polkadot today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers get one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptocurrencies with massive potential, not to mention a 100x portfolio we're constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel immeasurably. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently only around 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button now as well. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks via Webull by depositing $100 using our link in the description below as well. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get the 2 free stocks, and then take the money back out, so there's no reason not to do that. You can also sign up to our free Telegram in the description as well. Just go check out the description. There's a ton of links in there, lots of useful information and affiliate links. Go sign up to the free Telegram though, totally free. You'll get all of our updates, all of our technical analysis. So please just go check that out. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.